This video will show you how to use a traction test station. Let's get ready to test the first outsole material. Turn the upper basket over. Stick double-sided tape around the perimeter of the bottom of the upper basket and make an X through the middle. Then stick the outsole material onto the tape and turn the basket right side up. Put the container of water into the upper basket. Make sure the lid is tight. Check that the spool is centered on the dowel and that the string is draped over the center of the spool. Now you are ready to conduct traction testing. To test the different outsole materials, gently add washers, one at a time, to the lower basket. If you use all 10 washers and the upper basket isn't moving, replace them with 2 vials, each weighing as much as 5 washers. Count the number of washers required to make the upper basket move. When the upper basket starts to move, stop adding washers. Record the number of washers on your data sheet. Then, test the next outsole material. Peel the material off the bottom of the upper basket without removing the tape and stick the next outsole material in its place. Test fuzzy materials last so that the tape stays sticky throughout testing. Repeat until each outsole material has been tested.